Well, it's all-in-one installation day. It's been a couple of weeks since I had the kit delivered. It needed DNO authorization to be installed, so it needed a G99. That's because it's a bigger inverter than the old one. It took exactly 2 weeks to come through, actually, which was the limit for the fast track approval. Got a couple of guys from IVoltz coming down to do the installation, so they'll be here in an hour or so. I'll tell you what, I'll go and show you what's there now so we can do a bit of a before shot. So here we are in my garage, and this is where the kit is going to go. At the moment you can see my solar edge inverter just there. That is going to be moved slightly. I'm not entirely sure where yet. I think the guys are going to decide when they get here as to what looks the tidiest. That's the GivEnergy inverter at the moment, and that is running the GivEnergy 8.2 kilowatt hour battery that's down there. Now both of those GivEnergy components are going to be taken out for now and replaced with the all-in-one, which is down here on the floor. But I've even printed off the instructions too, the installation guide. And GivEnergy, if you're watching this, I know that grey text looks really cool on the PDF, but when you print it out you can't read it at all. It's really difficult to see. Make it black ink, please. Now this is in my study, and that is the main consumer unit for my house, and that is the EPS board, and then the little bit in the middle is a changeover switch. So the changeover switch and the EPS board are both going to get taken out, hopefully, and the circuits that are in the EPS board are going to get moved into the main consumer unit. So here's the progress at lunchtime on the first day. You can see the all-in-one is now sitting there in its position with the gateway above it, and then the solar inverter is sitting up there. Here we go then, end of the first day. We've got the solar inverter up and running. That's producing right now. We've got the gateway in bypass mode at the moment because it's not being commissioned. The inverter and battery, or the all-in-one itself, isn't yet wired up and commissioned. Need a little bit of trunk in there to tidy it up first, and the guys are going to come back first thing in the morning to do the whole commissioning process. Good morning. This is the inside of the gateway, and the bit I wanted to show you was just up here. Can you see those two connections there? That's how you connect the EV charger to grid side inside the gateway. You can also see there's plenty of space down the bottom for CT clamps or whatever you need to put in there. There's extra space up here for energy monitors and things on another spare rail. They're supposed to be for LoRa connections, but I guess you could use them for extra monitors if you wanted to. So everything's in and installed now, and we're just starting on the commissioning process. So there we go, all finished. Gateway's there, solar inverters there, all-in-one is down there, taking pride of place in my garage. I think all that's left to do now is to get it working with Home Assistant, but that's a job for another time. So right now, I'm just gonna sit and enjoy it. Oh, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more of this.